Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I realized my nails are really rough and I decided I wanted to give them a little makeover on a budget. So we're going to Dollar Tree. Yes, I'm going to try out some cheap nail stuff just to make the appearance of my nails a little more pretty. So here we are at Dollar Tree. And I'm hoping to pretty much just find like 2 or 3 things that I can work with today. So I'm getting out of the car, as you can see. Gotta have my little bag from Shein, super cute. I'm wearing mismatched socks with slides, by the way, so yeah. Nice big Dollar Tree here. The nail aisle is pretty much straight ahead when you walk in, and as you can see, they have a good selection of stuff. There is a lot of things there. However, I just want to say I was very surprised that I could not find one nail glue in this aisle. Not one. Not even a set that came with the glue, which you could blame it on everything being $1. So the sets were like minimal. But I would expect that there would be some type of glue there, and there wasn't. So I was kind of just like scoping everything out, seeing what they had. Some cute stuff there. Here's some of the products they had. Again, a lot of stuff, a lot of nail colors, and press-on sets. So I ended up getting this mug. I mean, $1 mug, you can't go wrong. I also got nail polish remover because I'll be needing that. Nail tips from LA Colors. Pink coffin shape super glue. Yes, I got super glue because I couldn't find nail glue. And then gold glitter polish and this Wet n Wild lip gloss. So the first thing I'm doing is removing my old polish. It's all chipped and yucky. I did a pretty good job. This was very decent nail polish remover for $1. As you can imagine, there was some tiny spots of blue left around the edge of my nail, but it wasn't the biggest deal to me. So I am a bimbo and I filmed gluing my nail tips on, like totally out of frame. So I glued the bubblegum pink or pale pink coffin shaped nails from LA Colors on with the super glue. That was actually a good deal to get 2 little super glues for $1 in a pack. And it's pretty much just like nail glue. So then I went in with the polish and I did like about 2 coats, I believe. So the glitter polish is really beautiful, but it's subtle. So if you want like a bold effect from it, you got to do more than 1 coat. So my filming of this was really not the best, but don't worry, you're going to see a good shot of the final product. Okay, so really not bad. They don't last the longest, but for a day or 2, like very cute. Here we have the bling effect. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.